And you know me that chair will be a band to a TV so. The chair me papa despite. Dan see bebre se na no ohira me. Me chia me nana e OPEMSUO na say tu. Enye ono a se bi ka asante man ki atete apansam. Ka manfo de eni amakọ. Ene na ochi ne ma bi si wasante man mu National House of Chiefs. Ye papa Dormaahene ene yewura se bi anwa so Manhyia ekogina for National House of Chiefs president. Na ona bo awi o. Honorable Wari. Honorable nya 30. Na de honorable Wari. Eti course we ma yewura Nana Samajafra at the court injunction. Ebe to na Dormaahene say tew. Sama ka cho say yewura OPEMSUO na say to so ka che obi say ana obi so ache sikadwa wi a. Na sikadwa hu ma betena ni mu. Sikadwa hu betena ni mu so dia. Eyokon na sikadwa koye ama sikadwa be kese saa so na saa ohene na se bi yewura OPEMSUO be sine no ayokon na obekon enye tirimude ahene na se bi yewura na Dormaahene di tirimude wo Dormaahua o ka kanitiri to ho nya ade da bi asante akonya de yokon na omo koye chichire asante man momiawe na emesi wo National House of Chiefs ama mpohene etia Dormaahene na Dormaahene pese o kire se wo ye bema wo ye momehwe ne mekoso momehwe ne mekoso ye ka chem ANTOA TV de je bekoso bia wa santemam bia no e fa hene obia na o se de bremu na mote ase momehwe Dormaahene ona bo wawe momehwe ona bo on the issue
I'm looking at the agenda that we have before us. What I have seen is strengthening of members. To become members before the electoral commission gets involved. So why are you calling the electoral commission? This house cannot disqualify anybody. It is only a court of competent jurisdiction who can stop a member here. Right? And probably that is why you are wrong. But even those things that you are right, you have done so for this. You want me to take action on this?
A resolution was reached when HENE OSEI II proposed a referendum as a means of settlement. Though the Dormaahene challenged its legality, the House opted for the proposal. In his victory speech, Ogyeahohuo II emphasized unity to move the House forward. He shared his vision for the second term in office.
The National House of Chiefs and Chieftaincy, for that matter, must remain a political